Hi everyone, my name is Tim Warner. Welcome to my course, Building Batch Data Processing Solutions in Microsoft Azure. I'm a Pluralsight staff author, Microsoft MVP, and your instructor. In this course, you'll learn how a Microsoft Azure data engineer can use Microsoft Azure Data Platform products to implement batch data processing workflows. Some of the major topics we'll cover include ingesting and exporting data with Azure SQL Data Warehouse, performing ETL and ELT processes with Azure HD Insight and Apache Spark, and implementing batch and stream processing with Azure Databricks. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to embrace big data processing in Microsoft Azure using native tools like Apache Hadoop and Databricks. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Azure Data Platform batch processing with the Building Batch Data Processing Solutions in Microsoft Azure course at Pluralsight.